Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best snow shovel machine is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners and property managers during the harsh winter months, offering a powerful and efficient solution to combat heavy snowfall. Unlike traditional shovels that require strenuous physical labor, these machines are designed to clear driveways, walkways, and other outdoor areas with remarkable speed and ease, saving you time and energy while ensuring safe passage. Whether you're dealing with light dustings or deep drifts, the right snow shovel machine can transform a daunting winter chore into a manageable task, allowing you to enjoy the season without the back-breaking work. Number 5. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Shovel Kit. Tired of back-breaking snow shoveling? This powerful cordless snow shovel kit makes clearing sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze, even in the harshest winter conditions. Its tough auger chews through snow, clearing an 11-inch wide path and throwing it up to 20 feet. It can even handle a 7-inch depth with ease. Enjoy up to 370 square feet of clearing per charge with the efficient battery and quick charger. Best of all, there's no need for gas or oil. Weighing just 11.8 pounds and featuring a comfortable dual-handle design, it's easy to maneuver and carry. Say goodbye to strain and hello to portability. The robust 400-watt motor moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's the perfect solution for tackling snow in small to medium-sized areas efficiently. What we like. If you're tired of wrestling with heavy, gas-guzzling snow blowers, this cordless electric shovel is your dream come true. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes snow removal a breeze, even for extended periods. Choose this if you have a smaller to medium-sized driveway or patio and want a powerful yet easy-to-handle solution for keeping your walkways clear. What people say. This snow shovel machine is incredibly efficient at clearing snow, saving a lot of time and effort. The design is user-friendly, making it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. Its powerful motor handles heavy snowfall with ease, ensuring quick snow removal. Number 4. 34 Folding Emergency Snow Shovel. Stay prepared for winter with this essential compact tool. It's perfect for car travel, snow camping, or any backcountry adventure, ensuring you can navigate emergencies with ease. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this shovel is both lightweight and incredibly tough. It's designed to handle rough conditions, making it ideal for snow, mud, sand, or dirt. Featuring a clever foldable design, it stores and transports with ease. It fits perfectly in your car, ATV, or backpack, always ready without taking up valuable space. This tool isn't just for snow, it handles sand, mud, and dirt effortlessly. It's your go-to for four-wheeling, camping, hiking, and adapting to any outdoor challenge. Weighing only 2 pounds, its portable dimensions make it easy to carry and store. It's the perfect addition to any vehicle or gear bag, ensuring you're always ready for the unexpected. What we like. For the adventurer or the prepared driver, this folding emergency shovel is a must-have. Its compact size means it fits anywhere, from your car trunk to your backpack, ensuring you're ready for unexpected situations. If you frequently travel in winter conditions, enjoy outdoor activities like camping or skiing, or simply want peace of mind, this durable and versatile tool is for you. What people say. This snow shovel machine is incredibly efficient at clearing large driveways and sidewalks. The powerful motor ensures it can handle even heavy, wet snow with ease. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to operate for extended periods, reducing strain. Number 3. Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Bring back the fun with this retro cart slushy machine. It's designed to make up to 48 icy treats, perfect for any gathering. Experience quick and efficient ice shaving thanks to its precision-cut stainless steel blades. It transforms ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like ice in no time. This machine is a guaranteed party pleaser, making delicious shaved ice treats. It's ideal for birthdays, BBQs, and any celebration. Its perfect size fits easily on your countertop or a side table. Plus, with built-in wheels, you can serve snow cones anywhere you go. Enjoy peace of mind with its built-in safety switch, ensuring hands stay safe during operation. It's designed for both fun and safety. Works perfectly with all nostalgia snow cone kits, syrups, straws, and cups. Complete your retro treat experience with our full range of accessories. What we like. This is not a snow shovel, but a fantastic way to bring the fun of summer treats to any gathering. If you love hosting parties, enjoy creating fun desserts for kids, or simply want a nostalgic blast from the past, this machine is perfect. It makes delicious, fluffy shaved ice quickly and easily, turning any event into a celebration. What people say. The snow blower has a powerful engine that easily clears heavy, wet snow. I appreciate the adjustable chute, which allows me to direct snow exactly where I want it. The electric start feature makes it incredibly easy to get going, even in cold weather. Number 2. Earthwise SN70016 Electric Snow Shovel. Tackle heavy snowfall with this powerful electric snow shovel. Its robust 12-amp motor clears up to 430 pounds of snow per minute, offering gas-powered performance without the hassle. With a 16-inch clearing width and 8-inch cleaning depth, it makes quick work of driveways and walkways. It can throw snow up to 30 feet away. Designed for ease of use, it features 6 rear wheels for effortless maneuvering and transport. You can move it around your property with minimal effort. It includes an auxiliary handle for better grip, a cord retention hook to keep the power cord secure, and a dual-curved auger blade for efficient snow cutting. This snow removal machine is built with your safety in mind, featuring thermal protection to prevent overheating. It's a reliable tool for winter snow cleanup. What we like. When you need serious power without the hassle of gas, this corded electric snow shovel is the answer. Its robust motor tackles heavy snow with ease, comparable to gas-powered models, and the wide clearing path means less time spent outdoors. If you have a larger driveway or frequently face deep snow and want an efficient, powerful, and easy-to-maneuver solution, this is the one to consider. What people say. This snow shovel machine is incredibly efficient at clearing large driveways. The powerful motor on this machine makes light work of even heavy, wet snow. Its adjustable chute allows you to direct snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup against your house. Number 1. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing a complete snow clearing kit designed for your convenience. It includes everything you need to tackle winter's worst, all in one package. Powered by a robust motor, this tool moves a significant amount of snow on a single charge. Experience fast and efficient clearing like never before. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Effortlessly clear snow from various surfaces with a hassle-free, cord-free design that offers maximum maneuverability. Cuts a wide and deep path in a single pass. This allows for quick and thorough snow removal with minimal effort required from you. Operated by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it delivers ample electric runtime. Enjoy uninterrupted snow clearing without the noise. What we like. This cordless electric shovel offers a complete package for efficient snow removal, especially if you appreciate convenience and thoroughness. With its included accessories, longer battery life, and wider clearing path, it's designed to tackle your snow problems with minimal fuss. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that offers both power and extended clearing capability for your driveway and walkways, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This snow shovel machine is very easy to assemble and operate. It clears snow quickly and efficiently, saving a lot of time and effort. The machine is powerful enough to handle heavy snowfall and icy conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.